Let's continue to learn about the 6 nutrients that are found in food. To review, the 6 nutrients that we get from food include carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals, and water. It's important to maintain the right balance of these nutrients in order to have good health. Let's have a look at what happens when the balance isn't right. There are several illnesses that can occur as a result of poor nutrition. Diseases of undernutrition are usually found in developing countries where people often do not have enough food to eat. Diseases of overnutrition are usually found in developed countries where people often eat more than they need to. Beriberi is a disorder which causes muscle weakness, loss of appetite, and fluid buildup in the limbs. It is caused by a deficiency in thiamine, which is vitamin B1. This is a photo of 3 livers. The first one is a healthy liver. The middle one is a liver that is full of fat. The liver on the right can no longer function due to cirrhosis. Cirrhosis of the liver is caused by excessive alcohol. Lipids are a very good source of energy for the body. The body tries to store as many lipids as it can. The body has many fat storage cells. Each fat storage cell can expand enough to store 50 times its size in lipids. When all of the body's fat cells are full, the body creates more fat cells and fills them as well. A body mass index over 35 means a person is morbidly obese. This means their weight could be a major cause of their death. Obesity is caused by an excess of lipids in the body. The symptoms of pellagra include inflammation of the skin, diarrhea, and eventual loss of mental capacity. Pellagra is caused by a deficiency of niacin, vitamin B3. Victims of marasmus will have little or no fat stores, very little muscle mass, and poor strength. Death from marasmus is common. Marasmus is also known as PEM, protein energy malnutrition. Marasmus is caused by a deficiency of protein. Alcoholism is defined as a persistent and excessive use of alcohol. Alcoholism reduces the ability to function normally, physically, socially, and mentally. Keratomalacia is caused by a deficiency in vitamin A. Keratomalacia causes the eye to dry out and can eventually lead to blindness. Oxygen is transported through the body in the blood. Anemia is caused by a deficiency of the mineral iron. Anemia means the body cannot transport as much oxygen in the blood as it should. The heart on the left is a healthy heart. The heart on the right has coronary heart disease, caused by excessive fats. Coronary heart disease can result in a heart attack. A goitre is an enlargement of the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland controls how the body burns energy. Goitres are caused by a deficiency of the mineral iodine. Spina bifida is a disorder which is caused when the spinal cord doesn't develop properly during pregnancy. Spina bifida can be caused by a deficiency of folate. A condition in older people known as age spots can be linked to a deficiency in vitamin E. Dwarfism is a condition in which the limbs do not grow in proportion to the head and body. It can be caused by a deficiency of the mineral zinc. Exerting extra pressure on the large intestine when having a bowel movement due to chronic constipation can create small bubble-like pouches to form on the intestine. These small pouches can trap small bits of food like seeds and nuts. The food particles then attract bacteria, which can cause the pouches to become infected and painful. This condition is known as diverticulitis. Constipation is often the result of a fiber deficiency. Diabetes is a condition in which the blood has very high levels of glucose. This is due to insufficient production of insulin. Excessive sugars can make it difficult to control diabetes. Some people are born with stage 1 diabetes and require insulin injections every day. Many people are being diagnosed with adult onset diabetes or stage 2 diabetes. This is often caused by a poor diet and can often be treated by eating a more healthy selection of foods. Dental caries, or cavities, are holes in the surfaces of the teeth. They are caused by acids which are created by bacteria as they process sugars in the mouth. Colon cancer can be caused by constant irritation of the colon. Constipation, in which food remains in the colon for long periods of time, can contribute to this irritation. A deficiency in fiber can cause constipation. Rickets is a disease in which the bones soften because they aren't getting calcium. Vitamin D helps the bones to use the calcium. Rickets is caused by a deficiency in vitamin D. Osteoporosis is a disease in which the bones deteriorate and aren't able to support the weight of the body. Osteoporosis can be linked to a deficiency of calcium in the diet. Scurvy is caused by a deficiency in vitamin C. Scurvy causes areas on the skin and gums to bleed. Haemophilia is a disease in which the blood fails to clot and a person continues to bleed. It can be caused by a deficiency in vitamin K.